Okay, the hawk is in my yard again. And it's trying to catch a squirrel that is right down here on my tree. The poor squirrel's just chirping and trying to get away. So I'm not happy that this thing has started coming to my yard and catching my squirrels. You better not get a hold of Littledude, that's all I gotta say. Get! Oh my god. Hear the squirrel? I'm gonna have to chase this thing away. Where'd the squirrel go? Right there. Can you hear it? Oh my gosh. Where'd it go? Where'd she just go? I'm zoomed in too far, I can't see.